In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alias for a user in Google Workspace. 5 minutes. An email alias is simply an additional email address that delivers to the same user's inbox. It's great for role-based addresses like sales or info, or for handling name changes without disrupting existing contacts. You'll need admin access for this process. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account. Once you're on the admin homepage, look for the section labeled Directory. Open that, then choose Users. This is where you manage all the people in your organization. Find the user who needs the alias. You can use the search bar if you have a long list. Click the user's name to open their profile. On the user's page, look for the area that mentions alternate email addresses or aliases and select Add Alternate Emails. This opens a small panel where you'll create the alias. Type the alias name in the field before the @ symbol. Keep it simple, easy to remember, and free of spaces or special characters that aren't allowed. The alias must be unique across your organization. If it's already in use by another user, a group, or a resource, you'll be prompted to choose a different one. If your organization uses multiple domains, open the domain dropdown and select the correct domain for this alias. The domain has to be added and verified in your Google Workspace before you can use it here. When you're ready, click Save. The change usually takes effect quickly, but it can take a few minutes to propagate across Google services. To confirm it's working, send a test message to the new alias. If it doesn't arrive immediately, give it a little time and try again. The alias does not create a new login, it simply delivers to the user's existing mailbox. If the user wants to send messages from that alias, they can choose the From address in Gmail. This is typically enabled automatically for user aliases, but refreshing Gmail can help it appear. If you encounter an error saying the address is already taken, check whether it exists as a user, group, or previously assigned alias and pick an available variation. Also remember that certain system-reserved addresses may not be available. That's it. You signed in, went to Directory and Users, opened the user profile, added the alternate email, chose a domain if needed, and saved your changes. You've successfully created a Google Workspace email alias.